back to the channel, RJ Car Review. Alright, so today is cold. I'm going to attempt to clean my exhaust pipes. So you guys have seen in the previous videos, and my exhaust pipes are extremely dirty. I got some simple green. Both exhaust pipes are extremely dirty. Got my wash bucket filled with nice warm water, and I got this that just came in the mail today. This is a polishing soap 21S. I heard good things about this. First time using any of this product. Never did exhaust pipes before. This is my first time doing it. So let's just jump into the video because this is really cold. So all I'm using is some wheel cleaner just to kind of get all the grease and agitate all that dirt and build up. So let that sit on there for a few minutes, let it work in, and then I'll start using I'm using the Scotch Extreme Scrub pads to clean this, just to get all that grease and gunk off. Not sure, look at that. It's extremely dirty. Using my mitt. Pull that dirt. So I was an idiot to use the Scott Extreme pads. Should have used the fine because you don't really need extreme. You see the light scratches around here, but that's not a big issue. So let's continue. I don't know if you guys could take a look, so you can see a big, huge difference. My God, complete difference. See where that? This is where I kind of scratched it by using that extreme pad. Should have used an extreme fine pad instead. But it's cold, and I'm not gonna try to stay out here any longer. Try to make it look any better. I know I can with a different pad, but this is a huge difference. So this is the left side, so this is the after, and this is the before. You can see. Alright guys, so this side is a little much harder than the other side. Guess it was a little bit more caked up on this side, so I gotta actually really scrub this one out. So I just got a extremely fine pad that I had in the house that we used to wash the dishes. I had an extra one laying around, so I'm just using this with the soap to get this off. I'm telling you, it's always one side will come out so easy and perfect, the next side kill you. For the most part, the product works really well, because I didn't think this is going to come off this easy, but it does. I'm sure if the weather was warmer, I would have spent a little bit more time. So you can see it's a slight discoloration right around here. just because I had to put a little bit more effort into scrubbing that part out. And all I used was this regular dishwashing Brillo pad, and that was it. But slight discoloration, but for the most part everything came off. It looks 10 times better. Let me wash it off so you guys can see, get a better view of it off, so you guys can see what it looks like. Look at that. No dirt, nothing, no black, nothing. I'm digging in there, not all the way, but a little bit. But like I said, it's cold, and I'm not trying to have my hands all the way up my tailpipe. But that's it, guys. That's it. Done. Tailpipes are officially clean. This is just a winter clean. When it gets a little bit warmer, I definitely dive into it a little bit more. But it's cold, like I said. All right, and that's that side, and that's the driver's side. 100 times better. My God, should have did this when I first purchased the car. Like always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell icon, and comment. Tell me what you think about this video. All right, if it was helpful for you guys. I know a lot of people have been telling me to do this from a long time ago. Just didn't have the time, but finally got it done. Real quick process. All right, that's it, guys. Until the next video, man. Peace.